What's up, everybody? Welcome to another 8 to 5, the 8 to 5 trader video. Today is July 2nd, 2018. It's the first trading day of the month, and today I ended up negative 105 realized. After commissions, I ended up around 148.67 with 39.60 in commissions. So today was one of those days where I felt like I did everything right, but nothing really worked out. So I'm gonna give you guys what I did today. So today I traded two things, DBT and IQ. At the open, I pretty much missed everything. So, let's see here. At the open, DBT made a nice move to the downside, but what really had me thinking about DBT was this, how far it was away from VWAP. We were looking at a little over almost 2 points away from VWAP at the open, and we got the close below the 50 right here on the 5 minutes. So I was thinking to myself, maybe I could go short, but what I was thinking was maybe the price action would squeeze back up. But it did offer a nice entry right here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It offered a nice entry right here after the first 5 minutes, but the price action squeezed up about 40 cents, and I should at least took some kind of trade. But the price action sold off really cleanly. Like, let's see, if I had got in there, let's see, 92, let's see, 60s, I could have rolled the momentum all the way down to 90. So that was 2 points that I could have taken. But I wanted at least 200 shares, but I should have taken something. But I ended up trading it later. Well, let's go to IQ first. I traded IQ. I was looking for a move on IQ. I was looking for that breakdown through the non-moving average and the VWAP on the 5 minute. When I think, let's see what actually made this move. I think Baba made this move where it kind of squeezed up, then it pushed down through the VWAP and non-moving average. That's what I was looking for on IQ. It started here up at the top at the open, and it came down. It had this nice pattern that I'm thinking that was going to go down, but we squeezed up, and I went short 200 shares at 31.38, and I ended up stopping out the first time at 31.51. So I lost 18 cents on that. No, 13 cents on that move. So I was thinking to myself, okay, let me wait. So the price action closed near my break-even point. Then it started to sell off again, and I went short again at 31.30. Got a nice little move down to 31.10s. What the yeah, 31.15, 31.10, and I didn't cover. I was thinking we're finally going to make that move down because IQ has a tendency to sell off really hard, even in a minute time frame. And I thought that we would get that sell off, and then the price action ended up squeezing up again at 31.39. Is where I stopped out. So I lost 9 cents on that. So overall, I lost 27 cents on that. So I lost about 44 bucks. Yeah, 44 bucks is what I lost on that. So that's IQ. I think I did everything right here. It's just the move just didn't work out. So, you know, it is what it is. But for DBT, after DBT, because I was trading IQ around the time that all this was going down, I went short right here, 100 shares at 91.90 at 91.88, looking for the fade back down, thinking that we were going to consolidate around here a little bit, and then we're going to eventually make the push back down to lower day. But what ended up happening, the price action tried to, and then it kind of bounced off this non-moving average on the 1 minute, and then it tried to go to the upside, and I ended up covering at 92.23. So I lost about 35 cents on that, so 35 bucks. Then I came back short after this big drop right here. I was thinking to myself, okay, it closed below the 9, it closed below the 20. It's time. It's ready to go back down. And you see this counter right here was a really good indication that it was possibly going to go back down because we closed below the 9 moving average twice. So I'm thinking we're going to finally get that fade. I went short again, 100 shares at 92.04, and I stopped out again at 92.30. So I lost 26 cents on that. So both of these trades, I feel like I did everything well. I felt like maybe the first one was a little premature, but I feel like I stopped out well. The second one, I feel like I did really well on that too. It didn't work out. But Baba made some good moves that I didn't end up trading. It made the move that I was looking for. It wasn't really clean, but it did make that move down. JD was a chop fest. Win was also another one on my watch list that I didn't take. It was very far from VWAP. I think it was like almost 2 points, and the spread was almost $1. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I watched it here, but the spread was about 50 cents right here, and I just didn't take it. I should have taken at least 100 shares and just stopped out at the breaking the moving average. And my entries on both of these trades were there. I just didn't take them. I felt like they were kind of extended, and I didn't. Had I traded them, I think I would have done well on them, but I just didn't trade it. But but that's all besides the point. I feel like I traded well. I feel like I managed risk well. I feel like I had good entries despite the trades that I made, and I feel like had I made the trades that I should have made, I feel like I would have did really well. So at the end of the day, even though I'm down for the day, I feel like it's still a good trading day. So tomorrow we got a half day. We trade from market open till 1 o'clock, and then the market's closed for the rest of the day. So I will get some trades in the morning and do my recap. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think I made good trading choices today, given what I had? But let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. And I'll see y'all in the next one.